Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of RC Classic Garage, and welcome to a new addition to the garage, a Fiat 500. And this all started as Classic Car Auctions sent me the latest brochure for their June auction. Paging through it, one caught my eye, lot 619. The reason this caught my eye is that it was a right-hand drive and that it also covered 200 miles since an extensive restoration. So I decided on the day I would register, go online and bid as part of the auction. And this is how the auction went, as I was the online bidder.
Fresh from extensive restoration here, good colours as well, and bidding here then at 8,500 is the opening bid.
And then after a lot of initial bidding, it was left to myself online and one other bidder who was in the room.
10,000's online. They're saying no on the telephone. You're out, you're still in online, 10,000, and I sell the Fiat 500 then at 10,000, 10,2, 10,002. Seated at 10,002, against you online, and here at 10,002. 10,500 if you wish online, or you're going to miss it, I'll sell it here then at 10,200. Fair warning to you out there online, 10,500, 10,500. No, well thank you for your bids then, 10,005. Selling to you online then, hammers up. Fair warning, all done, 10.5.
And with the fall of that hammer, I owned a Fiat 500 I had never seen. The car arrived 2 days later, and this is it being unloaded from the truck. And as the car got unloaded and driven off the truck, I got to see it for the very first time. So let's park it up on the driveway and do a walk-around inspection. The first thing to note is that the paintwork is very good, and I think this has recently been done. The panel gaps as well are very, very good looking around the car. So looking around the doors, the bonnet, the boot lid, the panel gaps do fit really, really well. The car also has really good chrome when you walk around. All the chrome work either looks like it's been recently redone or it's new. And all the wheels and hubcaps look good, and the tires look new all round. And what I really like walking around is wherever you can see little screws sticking out. These have obviously been replaced with new stainless steel screws, and the bodywork looks really good. And then if we go around to the back of the car and open up the engine bay, this is consistent with the description in that the car's had an engine rebuild. It is very neat, very clean. I think what is really good is you can see that there's clearly been a new wiring harness put into the car as well. So overall, very happy with the engine bay. And moving across to the front of the car and looking under the bonnet, again this is very well presented. What is clear is everything was removed during the respray, as there's no evidence of any overspray on any of the rubbers or wiring. All looks good and new, and everything is freshly restored. The spare wheel is missing, but the strap is here. The battery is in, terminals look good, as does all the wiring. The canvas top looks like it has been recently replaced and in really good condition. And taking a look underneath the car, this is a real surprise. You can just see how good this is. The car has been repainted and everything has been renewed. All suspension bushes, all new shocks. I can basically see everything's been replaced. And likewise, looking under the back of the car, it looks like it's been done to an equally high standard. And I just like it that every single rubber and grommet and everything has been replaced, and it is really well presented. And then moving to the interior of the vehicle, the first thing to note is that the odometer says 220 miles. And this is consistent with the description of 200 miles since its restoration. The rest of the interior was described as being refreshed, which I'll say is accurate, as the car is neat, clean and presentable. So let's take the car for a test drive. The car is solid on the road, handling is good, it's firm and steering is direct. The car has plenty of power. Looking through the past invoices, the car has been upgraded to 540cc piston and liner set. And you can definitely feel this in the power. The gearbox and clutch are good. The car has the upgraded synchro box, and the brakes are all good, and the car pulls in a straight line. So overall, very pleased on the test drive. And I suppose the question is, now that I've seen it, is it a keeper? And the answer is yes. I'm very happy with what I purchased, and I'm happy to say this will be another addition to RC Classic Garage. Thank you all for watching. If you have enjoyed the episode, please do like and subscribe, and looking forward to seeing you all next time.